I wanted to show y'all this review on how to restore your black trim or your colored trim that gets faded. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've done half of it. This is the brand that I got. You get it off Amazon. This is black infused, so it has paint in here. So all that Armor All that you use that washes off in 2 weeks. What happens to your black trim is what they say is the paint that's infused into the trim gets UV destroyed. So this will restore it. This is what the detailers, as far as what they say, is detailers use it, and it has black ink in there or black paint. I'll show you I have half of it done and some of it done. This is the side that it's faded out. You can see how faded out it is. This is a 2011 truck, so um, I hadn't finished this whole side right here. As you come down, this is the side I've done. See, it's all black painted in there. It's a liquid paint that goes on. I'll show you the back bumper that I already did. See, there's the difference right there. I'm tired of spending money on Armor All and not working. Get you a pair of gloves. You're gonna need it. Tape off your mirrors and stuff or whatever you got so you don't have to have a big cleanup. Here's the bumper that I did yesterday. It just smears on. You can use a paper towel or it comes with a sponge. They have other brands, so I'm not just sponsoring that. I'm not a sponsor. But the bottle costs about $18. It goes a long ways. Here's another spot on here. See how faded out it is? That's fixing to change. You can't see it, but I've only used that much from the top. I think this bottle will do 2 different times. I think if you can coat it twice, you'll be even better, but the advertisement says 6 months or plus. So I'm thinking it'll last a little longer than that, but we'll see. I'm gonna do this here. See, I put some on there. Now I'll put my rag. I use a paper towel or a rag. My rag's gonna soak it up, so it won't go as far the first time, but once it gets soaked up, I don't know if you can see it. See, a lot of it got soaked up first time. There it is. The sun's not out, so you really can't see it as well, but there's all the faded. I think you can even use a paintbrush if you wanted to. There's all the faded. There's the line right there. Anyway, show you one more time. This is the brand that I use, and you can get other brands if you wanted to. This is the one I chose. This is 18 bucks, and it's 4 ounces. You get the 8 ounce, you get a little bit better deal on it. I think it's 25 on Amazon for 8 ounces. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the next one.